Sometime in the mid-70s, a swirling pool of discontentment and anger created a new sort of art form. Something where voice and message outweighed musicianship, still conveyed power, still conveyed rage. The date is now December 31st, 1979. In 3 minutes, we take our first steps into a new decade.